National parks in Andhra Pradesh. Sri Venkateshwara National Park. This is the location of Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Sri Venkateshwara National Park is a national park and biosphere reserve located in Annamaya district and Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh. It was established in 1989. This national park was named after Lord Venkateshwara, the presiding deity of Tirumala. Sri Venkateshwara National Park is known for its many waterfalls. Some of the waterfalls are Talakona Waterfalls, Gundalakona Waterfalls, and Gunjana Waterfalls. Some of the birds found in Sri Venkateshwara National Park are grey hornbill, crested serpent eagle, black-headed oriole, pied kingfisher, slender loris, leopard, sloth bear. The golden gecko was rediscovered after 100 years in Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Papi Kondalu National Park. This is the location of Papi Kondalu National Park in India. Papi Kondalu National Park is located in Papi Hills in Eluru and Alluri Sita Ramaraju district of Andhra Pradesh. It was established in 2008. A unique dwarf breed of goat known locally as the Kanchu Mekha is found in this region. The park has carnivore species like tiger, leopard, hyena, Indian gaur, sambar, barking deer, chausingha. It also includes reptiles like Indian python, king cobra, monitor lizard, chameleon, freshwater crocodile, and Indian golden gecko. Rajiv Gandhi National Park or Rameshwaram National Park. This is the location of Rajiv Gandhi National Park or Rameshwaram National Park in India. There are two Rajiv Gandhi National Park in India, one in Karnataka which is officially known as Nagarhole National Park and the second one is in Andhra Pradesh. Rajiv Gandhi National Park or Rameshwaram National Park is located in YSR or Kadapa district. It is a very small national park having just 2.3 square kilometer of area under it. Shisham trees and eucalyptus forest are also found in this national park. Amphibian fauna includes bullfrog, common Indian toad. Reptiles include Russell's earth boa, Russell's viper, common skink. Over 50 species of birds like peacock, little egrets, and parakeets are found here. Mammals found in Rajiv Gandhi National Park are spotted deer, common mongoose, black-napped hare. Now we will see National Park in Kerala. Anamudi Shola National Park. This is the location of Anamudi Shola National Park. Anamudi Shola National Park is a protected area located along the Western Ghats in Idukki district of Kerala. It was established in 2003. The Pambar River flows from this Anamudi Shola National Park. The animals found in Anamudi Shola National Park are elephant, tiger, panther, Indian bison, Nilgiri Thar, gaur, spotted deer. Iravikulam National Park. This is the location of Iravikulam National Park in India. Iravikulam National Park is located in Idukki and Ernakulam district of Kerala. It is located along the Western Ghats. Iravikulam National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was established in the year 2003. Iravikulam was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1975 for the protection of indigenous population of Nilgiri Thar, which is highly endangered mountain goat. Iravikulam National Park is also the land of Nila Kurinji, a flower that blossoms once every 12 years. The highest peak of South India, the Anamudi, is located in Iravikulam National Park. The Nilgiri Tahir, half of the world population of endangered Nilgiri Tahir, lives in Iravikulam. Other animals found here are tiger, leopards, panthers, gaur, Nilgiri langur, giant squirrel, and the Atlas moth, which is the largest of its kind in the world, and it is found in Iravikulam National Park. Mathiketan Shola National Park. This is the location of Mathiketan Shola National Park. Mathiketan Shola National Park is located in Idukki district of Kerala. Meaning of Mathiketan is mind confuser. Local people say that once you enter this forest, you forget the path. It was notified a national park in 2003. Mathiketan area is a part of Cardamom Hill Reserve. It is the last remnant of the original forest of the Cardamom Hill Reserve. Many streams originate from this Shola forest and most of them flow eastward and finally joins the Paniyar river. Most of the area under vegetation in Mathiketan Shola National Park is planted with cardamom and coffee. The regenerative capacity of Shola forest is very high as they regenerate even in regions where massive afforestation activities had been carried out. Galaxy frog, an amphibian species endemic to the eastern part of the Western Ghat, has been identified as the flagship species for conservation in the Mathiketan Shola National Park. One of the important trees are Bhesa indica. Some of the animals found in Mathiketan Shola National Park are gaur, wild boar, sambhar, common langur, wild dog and jungle cat. Pampadum Shola National Park. This is the location of Pampadum Shola National Park in India. Pampadum Shola means the forest where the snake dances. It was established in year 2003. Pampadum Shola National Park is the smallest national park in Idukki district of Kerala. It is on the border with Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. Pampadum has the misty and cloudy climate throughout the year. The important animal found in Pampadum Shola National Park are elephant, leopard, sambhar. The species Parentica nilgiriensis, which is restricted to some hills of South India and listed as threatened by IUCN, was recorded to be highly abundant in the area. Periyar National Park. This is the location of Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is protected area which is located in Idukki district, Kottayam district and Pathanamthitta district of Kerala. It is notable as an elephant reserve and a tiger reserve. It was established in 1982. Periyar holds two protected area designation, Periyar National Park and Periyar Tiger Reserve. The Periyar National Park, Periyar Tiger Reserve is the largest protected area in Kerala. The Periyar Lake inside Periyar National Park was created in 1895 by building a dam across the Mulla Periyar River. The forest surrounding the Periyar Lake was declared as a reserve forest in 1899 and later in 1933 it was declared a sanctuary, the Nilli Kampetti Game Sanctuary. The sanctuary was brought under Project Tiger in 1977 and it became Periyar Tiger Reserve. A major part of the Periyar Tiger Reserve lies in the Annamalai High Ranges. The Periyar River originating from Chokkampetti Mala flows towards the north through the Periyar Tiger Reserve. The name of the reserve is derived from the name of Periyar River. Species found in the park include jackfruit, teak, kokum, trees that produce a dark purple plum-like fruit, bamboos, rosewoods, sandalwoods. Periyar National Park is noted for herds of Asian elephants. Some of the other animals found here are tigers, leopards, barking deer, bonnet monkeys, nilgai or Indian antelope, langurs, porcupines. Silent Valley National Park. This is the location of Silent Valley National Park in India. Silent Valley National Park is the second largest national park in Kerala. It is located in the Nilgiri Hills within Palakkad district of Kerala. It is a part of the Nilgiri subcluster Western Ghat World Heritage Site. It was recognized by UNESCO in the year 2007. It was established in 1980. In 1984, the Silent Valley Forests were declared as a national park. In 1986, the Silent Valley National Park was included in the core area of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The perennial river Kunthi Puzha is passing through the western side of the Silent Valley National Park. It flows in the north to south direction in the park and finally merging into Bharat Puzha. Some of the animals found here are lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, bonnet macaque. Lion-tailed macaque. The most famous species of the Silent Valley Park is lion-tailed macaque, whose name has been become almost synonymous with that of the valley. Some of the notable birds are blue-winged parakeet, Nilgiri wood pigeon, grey-headed bulbul, white-bellied tree pie, Waynard laughing thrush, Nilgiri laughing thrush, Nilgiri pipit, small sunbird. Now we will see national parks in Tamil Nadu. Gundi National Park. This is the location of Gundi National Park in India. Gundi National Park is located in Chennai. It is the 8th smallest national park of India and one of the very few national parks situated inside a city. It was established in 1977. Apart from providing various ecological services to Chennai, it also acts as a generator of clean fresh air to the metropolitan Chennai. It contains more than 30 species of trees and many century-old gigantic banyan trees. Park has significant presence of black bucks, spotted deers, and varieties of snakes, over 100 species of birds, and over 60 species of butterflies. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. This is the location of Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park is consisting of 21 small islands and adjacent coral reefs in the Gulf of Mannar in east coast of Tamil Nadu, in Ramnathpuram district and Thuthukudi district of Tamil Nadu. It was established in 1986. Gulf of Mannar is the first marine biosphere reserve not only in India but also in the entire South and Southeast Asia. The Gulf is a part of southward extension of the Bay of Bengal. In the Gulf of Mannar, one can see the globally endangered dugong. Several species of dolphins and whales and endangered sea turtles are also found here. It is home to seahorses, fishes, sea cucumbers, sponges, all kinds of corals. Green tiger prawn is extensively harvested here for export. Indira Gandhi National Park or Annamalai National Park. This is the location of Indira Gandhi National Park. Annamalai Tiger Reserve, earlier known as Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park, is located in Anaimalai Hills in Tamil Nadu, in Tirupur and Coimbatore district. It was established in 1989. The Annamalai National Park was declared as Tiger Reserve in April 2007 and declared a critical tiger habitat in December 2007. The important mammals found here includes Asiatic elephant, sambar, spotted deer, barking deer, mouse deer, gaur, Nilgiri tahir, lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, wild pig and sloth bear. Mudumalai National Park. This is the location of Mudumalai National Park in India. Mudumalai National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, also a declared tiger reserve, lies on the northwestern side of the Nilgiri Hills, Blue Mountains, in Tamil Nadu. It is located in Nilgiri district. It was established in the year 1940. Some of the animals found here are Indian giant squirrel, Nilgiri langur, elephant, sambar, gaur and bonnet macaque. Mudumalai National Park and Tiger Reserve supported an area good for breeding tigers and also act as a good corridor for elephants from the Western Ghat to the Eastern Ghat and vice versa. Asian elephants and gaur are found here. Mukurthi National Park. This is the location of Mukurthi National Park in India. Mukurthi National Park is located in Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. The park was previously known as Nilgiri Tahir National Park. The park is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, India's first international biosphere reserve. As a part of Western Ghat, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2012. It was established in 2001. Some of the animals of Mukurthi National Park are Nilgiri Tahir, the state animal of Tamil Nadu, sambar, barking deer, Nilgiri marten, otter, jungle cat, jackal. The Mukurthi National Park hillsides are the source of the Paikara River. The Mukurthi National Park has been created to protect the Nilgiri Tahir, the state animal of Tamil Nadu, with the Mukurthi Peak and its surroundings being the pivotal point. Now we will see national parks in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Campbell Bay National Park. This is the location of Campbell Bay National Park. Campbell Bay National Park is a national park located on the island of Great Nicobar, the largest of the Nicobar Islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was gazetted as a national park in 1992. It is located in the northern part of Great Nicobar. The Campbell Bay National Park is a part of the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. Here you can see tropical evergreen forest and fern tree. Orchids can also be found in Campbell Bay National Park. Some of the animals found here are saltwater crocodile, Nicobar tree shrew, Nicobar megapod, python and the giant robber crab, fruit bat, giant leatherback turtle, crab-eating macaque, Nicobar serpent eagle, wild pig Malayan box turtle, Nicobar pigeon, white-bellied sea eagle, palm civet and fruit bat. Campbell Bay National Park is home to various turtle species like hawksbill turtle, olive ridley turtle, giant leatherback turtle. Galathea Bay National Park. This is the location of Galathea Bay National Park. Galathea Bay National Park is a part of Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, which also includes the larger Campbell Bay National Park. Both are separated by a 12-kilometer forest buffer zone. It was established in 1992. Here you can find tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forest. Notable animal species found in the park include the giant robber crab, megapod, Nicobar pigeon, largest turtle in the world, that is the leatherback turtle. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. This is the location of Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is a national park of India near Wandoor on the Andaman Islands. It belongs to the South Andaman Administrative District. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park was established in 1983. It comprises 15 islands of mangrove creeks, typically rainforest. It supports 50 types of corals. Some of the animals found here are water monitor lizard, wild boar, sea snake, turtles, mollusk, shells, starfish, saltwater crocodile, white-bellied sea eagle, parakeets, Andaman teal, heron, terns, waders, swifts. North Button Island National Park. This is the location of North Button Island National Park. North Button Island National Park was set up in 1979 and it is situated in the Andaman district. Some of the animals found here are dugong, dolphin, water monitor lizard. Middle Button Island National Park. This is the location of Middle Button Island National Park. Middle Button Island National Park was created in 1979 and this is the location of Middle Button Island National Park. Some of the animals found here are spotted deer, monitor lizard. Middle Button Island National Park is famous for its abundant marine life, including the blue whale, dugong, dolphins, sea turtle, and the pristine and colorful corals life. Middle Button Island National Park attracts snorkelers from all around the world. South Button Island National Park. This is the location of South Button Island National Park. South Button Island National Park was set up in 1987. It forms a part of Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. It is located just 24 km southwest of Havelock Island, an interesting 2-hour ride on motorboat. Some of the important animals found in South Button Island National Park are dugong, dolphin, water monitor lizard. One of the main attractions around the tiny island is shallow water coral reef with high visibility. It attracts the snorkelers and scuba divers all around the world. Mount Harriet National Park. This is the location of Mount Harriet National Park. Mount Harriet National Park was established in 1969. It is located in Firarganj Tehsil of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Mount Harriet National Park is also a butterfly hotspot. In year 2021, the Government of India renamed Mount Harriet, a historical tourist spot in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, as Mount Manipur. Mount Harriet National Park is well known for the species like Andaman wild pigs, which is an endangered species. Other animals include saltwater crocodile, turtles, and robber crabs. Mount Harriet National Park is also a butterfly lover's paradise. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. This is the location of Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. It was founded in 1996. It commemorates Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi. Rani Jhansi National Park is 14 km northeast of the South Andaman Island and southeast of Middle Andaman Island. The natural habitats of the park include lagoons, coral reefs, beaches, lowland evergreen rainforest, mangrove forest. 4 species of sea turtle are found here, which are olive ridley turtle, green turtle, hawksbill turtle, leathered back turtle. Animals like dugong, crocodiles are also found here. Saddle Peak National Park. This is the location of Saddle Peak National Park. Saddle Peak National Park is a national park in Andaman and Nicobar Island in India. It was set up in 1979 on surrounding areas of Saddle Peak. This is the location of Saddle Peak National Park. The Saddle Peak National Park have thick and luxuriant evergreen forest. Mammals of Saddle Peak National Park include the endemic Andaman horseshoe bat, Himalayan palm civet, saltwater crocodile, and Andaman water monitor lizard. You can download the PDF of complete national park in this Telegram channel.